In the next episode of Tajik Tajak Bhudanis, Zarifi will stop out of the shadows and attempt to repair the damage caused by years of silence. After the roadside attack, she will arrive at the mansion carrying a locked wooden chest that belonged to the previous Fortuna leader. Inside are letter, land deeds, and audio recordings proving that powerful people helped cover up crime committed against Ismi and Eleni. Zarifi will admit that she knew the chest existed but was too afraid to open it because doing so would have destroyed the family name. Esme will react with fury, accusing her of protecting walls and property while a mother and daughter lost 20 years. Instead of asking for forgiveness, Zarifi will place the keys in Eleni's hand and accept whatever punishment the family chooses. The recording will reveal that Taimur's influence began long before his open conflict with Adil. He financed false documents, paid a doctor to alter birth record, and used the Fortuna lands to move illegal cargo. Adil will want to release everything immediately, but Eleni will notice that one recording has been edited. Some remove a voice from the most important conversation. Zerfi will remember that a second copy was hidden in a chapel across the mountain. She will insist on retrieving it herself, believing that only a public act of coverage can begin to repair her debt. Esme will reluctantly accompany her, and their journey will become an emotional confrontation between two women shaped by the same cruel tradition in different ways. Along the road, Zarifi will confess that she once tried to help Esme escape but lost coverage at the final moment. Esme will say that regret cannot restore a stolen life, if yet it can still prevent another one from being stolen. At the chapel, they will find the missing recording, but Timur will be waiting. He will offer Zarafi safety evidence for the first time. She will refuse him without hesitation. A struggle will follow, and Zarifi will be injured while helping Esme escape with the recording back at mansion. The restored audio will identify a public official who protected Timur for years. Just as Adil prepares to expose him, the official appears publicly accusing Adil of kidnapping, attempted murder, and organized revenge, turning the entire legal system